Hey crafters, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be about the wash test that I did on those transfers. You don't want to miss out. This is mind-blowing and this will shock you guys. My mouth was like open for the longest because I was shocked. So you guys don't want to miss out on this video. So just an FYI, I did a wash test of the both of them, so I do not have to make two videos for that because that may take too long. So I'm like, you know what, I do not want to waste your time. I'm gonna put two of them in one. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the wash test of the PPD heat transfer paper and also the Hippo iron-on heat transfer paper. Let's get right into it so y'all can see the results of this wash test.
All right, so I am ready to get this out of the washer, and I used cool water to wash this. And of course, you guys can see I turned it upside down, and let's see the result. What the heck is this? What? No, this is unbelievable. Can you guys see that? Can you see all the whites started coming off and got into the shirts? I'm about to open this crap so we can see. Oh, sorry guys, I am using one hand to do this and one hand to hold my phone. Can you guys see that? That thing is coming off of the shirt. Literally, can you see that? Oh my gosh. Can you imagine this crap? And here, I could not, I could not believe it. Oh my God. Y'all can see this. If you've watched this video, if you already seen the video of me pressing this, you know the transfer that this is. But if you do not know, you will know in a minute because I'm about to break this thing down. What the heck? So now I'm just gonna put it back the way it is and put it in the dryer. What the heck? I'm shocked. Now let's check the other transfer. This video is for the two transfers that I made a video on because I don't want to waste your time. And this one looks way better. You can see it looks way better. Nothing has coming off. And wow. All right, we are gonna, sorry, I'm using my one hand, so I'm trying as much as I can. Everything looks good with this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. That the other one, I'm just thinking about the other one. The other one was like, that was a trash. That was definitely trash. And this one looked pretty good. All right. I'm not complaining at all. Oh, shoot. Okay. All right. I love this. I still have my softness. When I did it, it was so soft. It was like soft to the hand, like butter. And I still have that. So that's good. All right. So now I'm going to get it together and put it in the dryer. But I'm looking at it. It seemed like I lost some colors. The colors are fading. So, but compared to the other one, 100% better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the dryer. And yes, I'm definitely impressed with this one compared to the other trash. There we go. So now I'm just gonna try the both of them, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final result. Okay, so for those of you that are gonna ask me what settings did I use in washing it, that is it. You guys can see it. I put it on cold. You can see that. So yeah. All right guys, so yes, I am done drying it, and these are the results. And this is mind-blowing. Oh my gosh, I can't stop laughing. It's a mess. But anyways, take a guess and tell me in the comment section which of them is the Hippo, which of them is the PPD. Just throw it out so I can know if your first thoughts is gonna be correct. So are you ready for this? Drum rolls. The one on your right is the hippo, and the one on the left is the PPD transfer paper, the trashy one. Yes. So what I noticed with the hippo, which is this one, is that it did lost a shade of the color, and of course it still maintained that the softness is still soft. But this one here, this is of course the PPD transfer trashy paper. And you guys can see that thing did lift, and the whites from the design did leave a lot of white cast on the shirt. It was, you guys seen it when I took it out from the washer. So yes, it is a mess. The good part about this is I'm gonna just peel this thing off and design something else on the shirts if I can think. So yes. So of course, you guys already know PPD transfer paper is not an option at all. Just imagine having this sent to your customer, and this is what they ended up with. A mess. So yeah, nah. I just wanted to show you guys this so you guys can see what I see, and I was so shocked. Whew. Yeah.
Y'all seen that? That was not looking good. That was not looking good. Hippo was even better off than PPD. Y'all run away from PPD. That's a trash. That's trash. That's a waste of money. And that's a waste of time and money. You do not want to go that route at all. So I'm happy I was able to review this so you guys can see the options you have. It can be so disappointing when you buy a transfer and press it and hoping everything looks good and send it to a customer and you get a bad review. That can mess your business up, because reviews can change things for you. Reviews can either boost your sales or can reduce your sales. So you want to make sure you try different, you want to make sure you do a test and a wash test. And that's the reason why I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do this video for you guys to show you guys the wash test, so you guys can know that it's not all about how it looks when you press it, it's all about how it looks after a wash. So I wore that shirt, for several days, trying to see how it's gonna look like. And my husband actually loved the design. He was like, oh, I love this. And unfortunately, after washing it, I no longer have that shirt anymore. The good part is I'm gonna just slide that thing off and put another design, because that thing is 100% out. So I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna throw away that shirt. I'm just gonna peel it off, because you can literally peel it off. So I hope this was helpful. So right now I'm so discouraged on continuing this series. You guys let me know if I get like over 20 people that say keep it going. I will continue this series, because I have 4 more to go. I don't want to waste my shirts. If you guys are not interested in it, what's the point? You feel me? But if you guys are interested in it, I will go ahead and do it. So I don't have a problem doing it, but I need you guys to be interested in it. So but anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make this happen. Bye-bye.